Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. And guys, well, if you get less than your desired band in IELTS, writing and speaking, and you know you deserve a better band score, or the band score that you get in writing and speaking that surprises you, and you think, how come 5 or 5.5 in speaking? I speak even better than that. Then there is one option, and we call it EOR, Inquiry on Results. You can go for Inquiry on Results. So one of my students, he actually applied for EOR because he was unhappy with his writing and speaking result. After that, and there is the fee for EOR. After that, when his result was out, the EOR result was out, his writing band score did not change, but his speaking band score changed from 6 to 7.5. Guys, just check. One examiner rated his speaking at 6 band, and then a senior examiner who re-evaluated him and gave him 7.5 band. So 1.5 band difference. It means your IELTS speaking and writing band score depends on examiners as well. Okay, I'm speechless about it. 6 to 7.5 band is 1.5 band change, and this is a huge change. Anyways, so how to apply for EOR? I've made a message on WhatsApp, and there are 13-14 points to consider before you apply for EOR. You can just text me on WhatsApp and I'll share that message with you, and you can decide whether you should apply for EOR or not. All the best, guys. We also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.